ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬ different integral this particular example ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። let us see together። እዚህ ጋር f of 0 -1 ነው፣ f of 1 2 ነው፣ f derivative at x is continuous ነው ተብለን no gap between 0 to 1 it is continuous everywhere on the interval 0 to 1 ተብለን then which one of the following is equals to this one ይላል። first let 2 plus f of x is equals to u ሆነ ማለት ነው። ይሄን derivative with respect to x እናደርግ du by dx is equals to 0 plus derivative of f at x which is equals f derivative at x ይሆናል ማለት ነው። when you crisscross this here is 1 yes it is understood 1 አለን du is equals to ምን ይሆናል f derivative at x by times dx ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ይሄ ካለን መጀመሪያ ይሄንን integrate with respect to ካደረግን በኋላ ወደ f of x መመለስ ትችላላችሁ። integration 0 to 1 f derivative at x times the square root of 2 plus f of x dx is equals to value integral 0 to 1 የሚለውን መተው ትችላላችሁ ወይም መጀመሪያ ላይ u in terms of x የተሰጠው value substitute አድርገን ማግኘት እንችላለን። anyway let's integrate this one. You know that f of derivative at x dx means that is du, so multiplication is commutative the square root of 2 plus f of x that is u here is du ይሆናል ማለት ነው። boundary መተው ትችላላችሁ መጀመሪያ which is equals integration of u the power of 1 over 2 du ይሆናል። integration means the reverse process of derivative ነው ብለናል። anti-derivative እንለዋለን using power property here is 1 over 2 add 1 at the power to integrate plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1 power ላይ ምን እናደርጋለን anti derivative ስለሆነ derivative ስናደርግ ምን ብለናል 1 እንቀንሳለን ብለናል ከፓወሩ። ስለዚህ integrate ስናደርግ ደግሞ 1 እንደምራለን ማለት because of this is equals use the power of 3 over 2 since 1 over 2 plus 1 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 we take this reciprocal 2 over 3 times use the power of ምን ይሆናል the power of 3 over 2 ሆነ ማለት ነው which is equals 2 over 3 into አሁን u in terms of f of x express እናደርጋለን። ለምን እዚህ ጋር 2 plus f of x ስላል 2 plus f of x the power of 3 over 2 integrate between what በ0 እና በ1 መካከል ስለሆነ we can integrate such forms እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። after that we substitute this values ይሄ values እንተካ ምን ይሆናል 2 over 3 into 2 plus f of 1 square minus 2 plus f of 0 square root 3 over 2 2 plus f of 1 the power of 3 over 2 minus 2 plus f of 0 the power of 3 over 2 እናደርጋለን we did this እንሰራለን ይሄን ሶልቭ እናደርግ ምን ይሆናል this is equals 2 over 3 into 2 plus f of 1 ማለት 2 ስለሆነ 2 ሲደመር 2 4 ይሆናል 4 the power of 3 over 2 ይሆናል minus 2 plus here is f of 0 means negative 1 ስለሆነ this is 1 ይሆናል ማለት this is 1 ይሄ ማለት which is equals 2 over 3 into 4 the power of 3 over 2 ማለት ምን ማለት 4 the square root of 4 2 ነው 2 the power of 3 ማለት 8 ይሆናል 8 minus 1 ይሆናል which is equals 2 over 3 times here is 7 but the product becomes 14 over 3 or as we said here is let 2 plus f of x is equals to u. Now this implies that when x is 0 this means 2 plus f of 0 is equals to let's say this is u1 boundary lower boundary which is equals 2 minus 1 is equals u1 it is 1 is equals u1. Similarly when x is 1 this means 2 plus f of 1 is equals let's say this is u2 this is 2 f of 1 means that is 2 is equals to u2 but the value of u2 this is 4 is equals to u2 the boundary changed by 4. Now the upper boundary this is 0 is lower limit 1 is upper limit when substitute this 2 plus f of x by u the lower limit becomes 1 the upper limit is 4 with respect to u and again we can differentiate this u with respect to x by dx is equals to ምን ይሆናል derivative to 0 ነው f derivative at x ይሆናል ማለት rearrange እናደርግ du is equals to f derivative at x times dx ይሆናል ማለት since multiplication is commutative we substitute f derivative at x dx by du this means integration 0 to 1 of f derivative at x times the square root of 2 plus f of x dx is equals to, in terms of u ስንገልጸው, which is equals integration between 1 to 4 of f derivative dx ማለት du ነው ስላል this is the square root of u du ይሆናል ማለት times du ይሆናል። ለምን u ማለት 2 plus f of x ነው, the square root of 2 plus f of x ደግሞ the square root of u ይሆናል, which is equals over 2 du ይሆናል ማለት። ፓወር ከሆነ ይሄኛው ፓወር 1 over 2 ከሆነ ኢንተግሬሽን ምን ማለት ነው? you have to add 1 at the power 1 እንጨምራለን, which is equals u the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1 integrate between 1 to 2 what 4 ይሆናል ማለት, which is equals here is u the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 the power of 1 to 4 here. What no? This is equals to 2 over 3, the reciprocal of this 2 over 3 times u the power of 3 over 2 means here is 4. 4 the power of 3 over 2 minus 1 the power of 3 over 2, that is 1. What 12? Which is equals to 2 over 3 into 4 the power of 3 over 2 means this is 2 the power of 2 the whole the power of 3 over 2 minus 1. Here. We cancel his 2 by 2, what remains? Which is equals 2 over 3 into 2 the power of 3 minus 1. To the power of 3 minus 1 means 8. 8 minus 1, that is 7. So the result becomes 7 times 2 over 3, that is 14 over 3. In both cases we get the same result, that is solution for this also, that is B. ስለዚህ በፈለጋችሁት መንገድ መስራት ትችላላችሁ። ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ላይክ፣ ሼር ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። ሌሎች ጥያቄዎችን በተመሳሳይ ካሏችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልን። ለዛሬ እዚህ ላይ ይበቃናል። ባይ ባይ።